Hey, high leveler, my name is Andrew, and chances are right now you're using AI Studio to create some really awesome websites, apps, and landing pages. And did you know that you can actually clone these to different sub-accounts and actually in the same sub-account? So this is how it works. Let's say we've got all these different projects that we're building inside of AI Studio, and we want to use them inside of another sub-account. All we have to do is click the three dots on any of them. Then we can click clone, and then we can give the project a name. So we'll say cloned site. We'll select the target sub-account, so where we're actually cloning this to. So this will bring up a big old drop down. We can pick one of our sub-accounts that we want to clone it to. Then we can select a folder if that sub-account's AI Studio has folders already created. And then we can simply click clone, and we can also toggle on including project history, so that way it has all the context of previous chats and stuff. Then we can just click clone. It will then go through this process of creating a copy of the AI Studio project, and then it will move it over to that sub-account. We can also, of course, just clone it in the same sub-account that we're already in by just clicking the three dots and then clicking clone. And then we just don't change the target sub-account. This will default to the sub-account that you're already in. And all we have to do is just click clone again, and it will clone it within the sub-account itself. If you're not using AI Studio, it's absolutely awesome. Of course, if you have any questions about this, just drop a comment on this video. My name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.